Hi, I'm Akila. Are you a student who's gonna face the Edexcel A-levels in 2026 May? Then this is the right place for you to start up your theory. So for AS level, you know that there will be 3 papers, P1, P2 and either S1 or M1 depending on the school you're doing. Or if you are a private candidate, you can choose any of these, but one of these actually. So from the beginning of July, we'll be starting our theory classes and ending our theory by December. So then paper classes will start from January to March, and there will be mock exams on April. So if I explain you about the papers we are going to do, so this is the P2 booklet. So we'll be doing around 10 years of past papers within this month 3 times. So this book will be done 3 times, just only P2. So if you take this booklet, this is P1. So this booklet will be done 3 times within this period of time. Or we can start, usually it takes 10 sessions for us to cover P1. Around 12 sessions to cover P2 and around 10 sessions to cover S1. So it won't take as much as this period. It will be shorter than this. So we can start past papers by December or early itself. So this is the S1 booklet you will be doing. So this is actually the whole bunch of AS pure mathematics, what you need to do in order to get 300 out of 300 for your AS level. So 300 out of 300 is an A star. So if you don't get this result, at least if you don't get 240 out of 300, which is an A, for your AS, you are in trouble with A2 because AS results get added up to the A2. So in A2, we'll be having P3, P4 and S1, M1 or M2. You can't do the same thing what you choose in AS in A2. So it should be something different. If you chose S1 for AS, then you have to choose something else, either M1 or S2. If you choose M1 for AS, you can't do M1 again in A2. You have to choose something else. So P3 and P4 are a must. So for A2 also, you will be getting a paper set like this. So if you have already done AS in 1 year, in school, by schools or any other, you will be facing A2. You also have to do this kind of a paper set in order to cover your A2. So in A2 also, if you get minimum of 240 out of 300, that means 80 from each paper. This is a A. So overall these two added, which is 480 out of 600. This will be a A grade for pure mathematics in A levels, Edexcel A levels. So you have to at least get more than 540 in order for you to get a A star in pure math. That's why majority of the schools don't have results. Reason, they do not do these fast papers a lot. They just keep on spending time with your textbooks. That's not the way. We need to practice papers more and more, over and over again. At least within this short period of time, January to your May, April. So you need to practice so much of papers in order to get an A star. So at CHEMEX Nugegoda, we are doing that. As I am a student who did Edexcel and I graduated from ICAM. So from my childhood, I did Edexcel. So I know the concepts, what it goes. During my time, we didn't have tuition. It was the school which did all these things. Right now, I don't know the reason why it is. They do not do these fast paper booklets. That's why the kids don't have enough practice for these examinations. So this is the secret behind getting an A star for your A levels. You can contact us from the number on the screen, and you can join with us on our theory sessions, which is starting from the first week of July in CHEMEX Nugegoda. So I hope you understood the main consequences of not doing past papers. And at CHEMEX, why people have A stars? The secret is this. So stay with us.
Visit now www.chemexacademy.com. Call us now, note 7289 333 44.